We can understand from these simple verses that there is an intimate relationship happening. There is this two-way relationship happening between you and Allah, you and God. From the verse you understand that the first thing is that you have believed, and the most important thing is that you converse with Allah, you talk to Allah. So your relationship with Allah is built, brothers and sisters, by praying your 5 daily prayers, by charity, donation, doing good deeds, and constantly having a time in the night where you don't distract yourself and you dedicate a few minutes to talk to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to keep saying Rabbana, Rabbana, Rabbana. Even the word our Lord, our Lord, our Lord is a loving relationship between you and Allah. When you think of Allah, think of Him as your Lord. What is the meaning of Lord? Lord only means caretaker, guardian, creator, the one who gives you, the one who looks after you, the one who protects you, the one who is there with you and the one who guides you. Your Lord, Rabbana. This is how we address Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, brothers and sisters. We call Him as Rabbana, Ar-Rabb. There is no one who cares for us more than Him. And you seek refuge in Him and you ask Him to fulfill His promise that He gave as we believed in the messengers and prophets. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, don't cut off your connection with me. Because if you cut off your connection with me, the connection will be cut off. Allah never cuts you off, but it is us who cut Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala off. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala always has the door open. We can always return. As you can see in these verses, there's constant repetition of, our Lord, forgive us. Our Lord, grant us salvation, save us, protect us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He loves this type of relationship because it's a one of intimacy. You're pleading to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to keep you protected. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told you, don't worry, but you say, my Lord, protect me. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when He sees you doing that, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy encompasses you, right? It's like when a child says to his mother or her mother, Mum, please, make sure that I'm safe. Make sure that tomorrow at school I've got my lunch. Otherwise, I won't have anything to eat. If like a 5-year-old or something. And when the mother hears these words, only the compassion and mercy hits her. And she says, how can I leave my own son? My son is worried that I'm not going to look after him. And the more you say it, the more the mother gets teary over these words. Says, stop, don't say it, don't say it. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala always tells us about our parents whenever He mentions His name in the Quran. Because our origin came from our parents and our original origin came from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So brothers and sisters, whoever does not have a relationship with Allah, the life becomes less meaningful and only temporary.